Hi guys, in this video I will share cheats for playing Tongits Go to get gifts such as loads. First, click the download link at the top of this video to download Tongits Go. Once you're in, here's the secret. 100 ghosters can be swapped for 100 loads, and if you collect more ghosters, you can get even bigger gifts like mobile phones. If you're watching this video right now, I've got the latest 2024 gift code in the description just for you. This code contains precious diamonds. Simply go to the gift code section, enter the code, and hit redeem. Boom, diamonds are yours. Now, how to get ghosters quickly. First, new players can get free ghosters rewards when they log in. Secondly, use diamonds to swap for golds. Sign up for high reward tournaments and get more ghosters. Lastly, invite 10 people to get 100 ghosters for free. Now, I'm not a professional TG player, but you can easily get 100 plus ghosters, and here are the complete steps of how to swap 100 ghosters for 100 loads in Tongits Go. Just click the gift button, select get load, enter your number, and finally click submit, and 100 loads will be in your hands. What are you waiting for? Hurry up and download Tongits Go now, and look forward to getting more rewards. Thank you.